I've always loved cars with a bit of secret racing pedigree and that are very good to turn into a small wheel B-road basher. For some reason though, in my pursuit to find a cheap Kaido build, I've never really thought about the K11 Micra, or as they call it in Japan, the March. The Micra is basically halfway between a mild hatch and a K car, basically an economy city car that's just outside the K car size bracket. This is one of those cars that has never really tickled my fancy before. Maybe it's just because I'm put off by who usually own them. But they really are a good platform for this kind of car, and until today, I didn't really appreciate them as much as I probably should have done. Today I've gone to see Liam, and we're going to see if I was missing out this whole time. He wanted me to lower it, so he's made me do some unpaid labour to get it on the floor, and then we're going to go drive it through some back roads. Welcome to Luv Luv Racing.
Hello? Yeah, this is Luv Luv Racing, mate. This is Luv Luv Racing.
Hello, it's me Liam, and that's Josh. My Micra is undergoing a bit of surgery.
Oh, it's ready because I've tightened them up.
We're just finishing surgery now. I've got my rotors back on it.
You can't tell the internet that they're actually rotors because then people will just believe you.
They're Hayashis actually, if you don't believe me. Look on the, where does it say it? It's there somewhere. I don't know, you're not focused on
That's just
that.
rotor that, mate.
Shut up. Mikra's having surgery. Josh's Arosa's looking pretty. I mean, just look at that with the tree in the background. Hold on. I mean, just look at that. It's like the first time you watch like porn or something, isn't it? You know what I mean? It's just you can't you can't believe your eyes. We're about to get the big reveal on the mighty K11 Micra race car.
Well, how's that looking for you?
I'd say that's looking pretty fabulous. What do you think?
We can go lower still if you want. That's up to you.
Balance back, test drive, and then we'll see.
Let's fuck off B, see that?
Fucking hell. Luv Luv Racing B.
Whoa, it's fucking here.
Fucking hell. So the coilovers are being knobbed.
This adjuster's just being a pain.
Yeah.
It is turning, it's just very slow.
Ooh. Oh!
Nearly kicked the camera there.
Nearly. Cameraman never dies though, we're fine.
Cameraman never dies, I'm getting bloody cramp in my legs from bending over like that.
Stay up. Bending over.
Shut up.
Where's that? Ugga dugga.
Ugga Dugga's taken me socket, thank you.
There we
You
go.
did that.
The Luv Luv Racing squat.
Only I do a squat like this when I'm working on cars.
Oh, hell no, man.
Final reveal.
Yeah, so that's the height.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's quite low. Here we go. Yeah, that looks higher up. Panic over, so we think that it's because the spring isn't seated properly. Micra wave. Micra wave.
Micra wave.
Microwave. Imagine if they made like a micro penis version.
You got that?
I'd have that.
I'd buy it.
I'd buy it. Right, let's try that again. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Is it?
It's lower.
It's not sat on this side now.
Oh, for fuck. Yeah, mate, it looks good that. Third time's a charm, or whatever they say.
Whoa, there it goes.
Yeah?
You heard it go, you heard it pop into the right place.
Oh yeah.
This is the pikey way to get your adjusters unseized. Ow, me fucking knuckle.
Knuckle.
Me knuckle.
Tell them again. Look at that. Fucking fitment. Oh my god. We've adjusted the coilovers. We are now putting the thing back together. Because you've got, what are we doing? Attaching the subframe to the what?
Putting the bottom shock bolt in.
That's what we're doing.
Need one of these.
So he needs a hammer.
Yeah, that's
So he
correct.
can like, hammer it in and stuff.
Oh,
So he's currently hammering it in.
thanks for the commentary, mate. It really adds to it.
I'm new to this whole YouTube thing.
So, guys,
So he's done with
I'm
the
hammering
hammer.
it. So I've just done hammering it in. Now I'm putting the nut on. I'm winding the nut on, guys.
So this is what I believe what they call a Sciata Rosa. It's basically a lupo, but it's Spanish.
Do you think the people watching don't know that? Well, I
How do you
suppose
expect to
can't-
grow your
can't
audience if you're
you
not
can't
catering?
you can't assume people are in the dark.
But yeah, so this is a car, and it drives, and it turns, and it does it sometimes. But yeah, you can see there's a steering wheel, which is always, you know, a handy thing to have. That poster, we went to watch Akira and the car builder RWB.
She's in.
In, and other side,
No, she ain't in.
not in.
No.
Fucking hell.
It's because you don't have. It's because you don't have.
So Josh is just vigorously wanking.
No. Oh shit.
Oh fucking hell, what have you
Because
done?
I've not put it on right. Don't worry.
So Josh just put a hole in my sill.
No, I didn't. This is what happens when you're an F1. Right, I'm F1. F1 lowering a micro. Oh no! I've not got the right tool in my hand.
Which one do you need?
The hammer. Oh, it's alright, I'll use jack handle.
Oh, improvise. F1 ain't got time to get hammers.
I know.
You look a bit like a dead body right now.
Thanks, mate.
No worries, mate.
And off he goes, never to be seen again. Yeah. Minty. It looks good, man.
I like it.
It looks. It's level and everything. It's very cool.
It's not rubby either, so that's good.
Yeah, yeah. Once I'd got some clips of my Arosa for a previous video, we took the Micra to some B-roads, as it was finally time to pop my K11 cherry. Can I have the key?
Probably need that.
Yeah.
It's not the right key.
It's alright, we'll just sit here, I reckon. Nice view, isn't it?
I found it. They're in the crevice of my shorts.
Sorry?
They're in a crevice of my shorts.
No, I heard you, I just didn't like what you said.
Oh.
Oh, she's a beast. No power steering. What's Micra life like then? Let's see.
It's not giving me any issues so far. I've done, what, 4,000 miles in it, which is almost 10% that it's ever done. And the biggest issue is the tyres rubbing, which was my fault. So other than that, I can't complain at all.
Oh my god, it is bouncy though, isn't it? It feels stiff. This is a bit techy, isn't it?
Like down here in my old Fiat Punto.
Oh. The reason that I like this so much and I've ended up giving it a approved sticker is mainly because I just like this style of car. I like a Kaido racer.
Yeah.
Not a Kaido racer because this is nowhere near it, but that sort of like a
little wheel, low.
Yeah, little wheel.
It's very simple, really. This car.
That's all it needs. I mean, this car's done what, 37,000 miles. That is ridiculously low.
Yeah.
That is ridiculous.
It is. I mean, it would have been 1,000 a year when I bought it. Just over.
That is ridiculous.
I bought it on 32 and a half. It was 31 years old.
What's it running exhaust wise?
It's just completely standard system, but it's got a here if you want.
Got the feeling of absolutely giving it some and it just not going anywhere.
Yeah, I mean, well, I think we topped out at about 50.
Just then, we didn't go over the speed limit at all. The thing that I like about a really, really ridiculously low power car. Sorry, I got distracted. Is that you can absolutely mat it everywhere and you will never hit the speed limit.
Yeah.
And I know everyone says this, but it's better to drive a slow car fast than it is drive a fast car slow.
Oh no, 100%.
Like,
100%.
it still felt like I was going a million miles an hour, even though I really wasn't.
Yeah, this thing does feel a lot quicker than it is. I think because of how stiff the suspension is now.
Yeah, the dampening is a bit on the stiff side.
I do need to sort it out, but at the same time.
But it will corner ridiculously well, this car now.
Yeah, I don't know about anymore, but back when I was on the Yokohama Civic.
No, I reckon even still.
Yeah.
I used to twat my Arosa back when it was quite back when it was quite high up.
Yeah.
I used to twat that thing all over the shop on Nankangs, and it was the shit tyres, but there was so little car to move about that it just sort of gripped no matter what. Man, I need a sporty back box on my Arosa. That's what I need.
You do. That was the thing I missed most about my first Backroad. When I got the pull-ups, it was quicker. It weren't the worst looking car of all time, you know. But you put your foot down, you just wouldn't hear anything.
Yeah.
And it's like, if you put your foot down, you stay in the same place, but it's hard. It's not like it sounds bad either.
No, it's got a good tone to it.
Yeah.
It's quiet, but then when you want it to open up, it'll open up.
It's quite a throaty sound as well. It's because you see a lot of Micras, they just put cherry bombs on.
Yeah.
It sound like shit.
Yeah, Nismo back box, I assume, would be the best bet for this.
Having that.
I could do that all day.
Yeah.
I actually could do that all day. That is ridiculous. It is giving me the same pains that I used to feel with my Arosa with the standard seats though, where there's no like support.
Yeah.
So your back end and your sides end up hurting from keeping you up
Yeah.
when you're driving. Other than that,
I was gonna
like
get
if it was mine, I would get some sort of, not like a bucket, but like what's in my car, which is literally just like it's a standard Ibiza Cupra seat, but it just hugs you a bit more.
A lot of people do. I think it's FN2 type R.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Which I think
probably
is
be a
just
bit
a bit
chunky.
shit.
Wow, look at the camber on that.
Better out Muppets fucking done the part together.
I know. My cherry hath been popped. I enjoyed taking the Micra out. I thought it was good fun. Would I own one? Maybe. If prices for a pre-facelift were still sensible, I'd probably consider it. But for now, I'm not fully convinced. But that's it for today. Next week, me and Liam head to Food and Fuel at Bicester for our first proper event of 2025. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe down below. And let me know if I should do some more review style videos. I did quite enjoy making this one, so let me know. That's it from me now though. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.